Good morning, student. So here I am Pratima Singh, your English teacher from Faizabad Public School. Dear you all, if you remember, we discussed the syllabus of English. Fortunately, we had gotten 1 or 2 days offline classes, and in that we discussed about the syllabus. Hoping that it is clear in your mind that what we are going to study in this particular session does not matter online or offline, but the learning process must go on. And for this I will request to the parents also to be cooperative so that the learning process can go on smoothly. Without any delay, dear you all, I will introduce first chapter from your book, First Flight. We discussed a little bit about this chapter, if you remember. And this chapter is a kind of fiction, a letter to God. This chapter is written by G.L. Flats. Student, in this story, we will learn about faith. Hope that you all know about faith. What is faith? Here in this story, there is a character, Lancho, and he has a great faith in God. So, he is a very simple man. If we will read the story, we will find out that Lancho is a farmer, but he has a very strong faith in God. The story begins with the Lancho hoping for rains so that his crops would give a better field. The rain does not come, but is followed by, in starting, Lancho, he was hoping for good rain. He was hoping for good harvest. Everything was going good except the rain. So, rain does not come as he was waiting for it, but the hailstorm, it came, and which destroyed all the standing crops. As we discussed that Lancho, he has a very strong belief in the God, that he writes a letter to the God, that dear God, if you will not help me and my family, we will die with hunger. But he was very much sure about it. He has no hope except God. He was sure that if I will ask to God, definitely he will help me. So he has written, as I told you, he has written a letter to God and he has posted it. He went to city and he has posted it in post office. After seeing Lancho letter, the postmaster he is deeply touched by the strong faith of Lancho in God. So what he did? The postmaster collect the money. He has asked, Lancho has asked about 100 pesos to the God. So what postmaster has done? He has decided to collect money. He collected his own salary and he asked to his colleague also for giving some charity. But unfortunately, the amount was not complete. Lancho has asked about 100 pesos, but unfortunately, the amount was only 70 pesos. He has posted the postmaster. He has posted the letter on that particular address of Lancho. Lancho has gotten that money. Dear you all, you will think that when he had opened the envelope, he will get surprised and he will say thank you to God for sending him money. But unfortunately, this is not happened. When Lancho had opened his envelope, he was in anger. He got surprised. He said, I asked about 100 pesos, why God has sent me only 70. As we discussed that he has a very strong belief, he has a very strong faith in God. He said that definitely God has sent me 100 pesos. So where the remaining 30 pesos, it means that the post office implies they had cheated me. They had taken 30 pesos. And here the postmaster and the other implies they were thinking that definitely he will write letter again and he will say thank you to us. But it doesn't happen. Lancho has written again. He has written a letter, and in this letter he has written that, dear God, kindly send money directly to me, because the employee of post office, they all are a bunch of crooks. It means that they all are cheaters. They had taken 30 pesos. So in this story we are finding that how strong faith he has in God. Dear you all, this is all about this story. I hope the content is clear in your mind. We will do explanation. We will discuss the questions based on this particular chapter in our online classes. Thank you so much.